In today's video, I will put you through on how to find text or words, okay, on web pages using some browsers. So here I'm going to cover how to do that with Google Chrome web browser and how to do the same thing using Microsoft Edge. Let's just get right into it. Okay, I am on my computer right now. So the first step you need to take is to open a web browser and then get to the web page. So let's work with Google Chrome here. I think I already opened a web page already. So let me select this. Okay, so this is the web page I am right now. So let's assume I have read the content of this web page before. All right. And I came back again because I want to get to a place where Android is mentioned in this web page. All right. So if you are looking for a particular word or text, what you need to do is click on the three dots at the top right. Okay. You can see where my cursor is right now. Then get down to find and edit and click. All right. Then one of the options here is find. So click on find. Then in this search bar, type the word you want to locate on that particular web page, all right, or website. So here I want to get to Android. So I'll start typing Android, okay? So once I type the keyword Android, it will show me where it appears on this web page. First, it appears on this line as a mobile application on Android or iPhone, all right, based on this web page. Then if you click this arrow that points down, it will show you where it appears again. And if you click again, it will show you the third place where it appears. Okay, so this is how you get to a particular keyword you want to read about on a particular web page, all right, in Google Chrome. All right, so let's get to Edge and see how we are going to do that on Microsoft Edge. Okay, so here I've already opened a page on my Edge browser. Okay, so let's say I have read this content before, but I want to get a particular word on it. Okay, so now what you need to do, take your cursor to this top right, these three dots here, and click. Okay, on clicking, go down and you will see this option, find on page. Just click on it. And this opens this search bar where you type the word or the text you want to get to immediately. And in this case, I want to know where the word vote because I have read it before. I know that there's a place they mentioned vote on this web page. So type the keyword VOTE. All right, it has shown me that vote appears in two places here. The first one is here where it says, can you won the Canadian Liberal Party's leadership vote by a landslide on Sunday. All right. Okay, so you can see vote appears here. If I click this arrow that points down again, I'll get to the second place where it appears. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Here we cover a lot of technology and so many other areas of interest, including self-publishing and YouTube education. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. And leave a comment. If you have questions, just drop that in the comment section, okay? Watch this video here to learn more on tech related stuffs. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.